Minnehaha Falls. So, of course it starts with a climb, as does every hiking trip.
And it's all the way up.
It's always up. We're here. Wow. That's nice.
Very nice.
Continues down there. Wow. That's got to be 40, 50 feet of fall right there.
Yeah. Yeah, last time I made it to the top. Get a better view.
Yeah. There's Carlos. Canner. That's a cairn, which apparently runs it for everybody if you talk to some people. It's not bothering me. It hasn't moved, but apparently some people are taunted by them. Lots of little moths or butterflies, small moths that hanging out. This tree here coming out. It's cool. Be careful, that rock can get slick. There's Carlos. It's very treacherous through here. This doesn't do it justice. It slopes out really bad. The creek comes along, makes its way down. Very humid. All right, now we're at Dix Creek Falls. Yep, we're parked here by the creek, making our way in. It's been raining off and on, so we're hoping we stay dry. Pretty cool creek. So we came from that way, and you come to a four-way intersection here. Got a little bridge here, a little bridge here. So you gotta watch this area. I think we're going to the left. Oh, we're going straight. Oh, okay. So, I don't know where these other trails go, but we're going straight. Trail's real wet. The water has taken it down to the hard pack though. It looks like it would be slick, but it's not. So, that's good. Moving on. Moving on. That's pretty cool. This little rock, look at that. Obviously there was some kind of post here, or maybe a tree grew through there. So here's your cascade. This is the falls itself. We're at the top of the falls. And that's the Chattooga. This is jumping right into the Chattooga River. Chattooga. Awesome. Really cool. Got a nice little pool right up here. Really cool. We just came out of there. I know it doesn't look like a trail. That's because it's not a trail. but you can climb through there. Awesome. It's about a mile hike back here. Not much more than that. Dix Creek Falls, beautiful. We're headed down to Holcomb and Hammond Falls. That's not a law firm. That's the name of the two falls. So, hiking here with Carlos. We just saw some folks that said there were a couple of copperhead down here. So, you can hear we're really right by the road. You can hear the car up there spitting gravel. A little treacherous getting down here, some drops. Doesn't sound like the creek's running either. No, creek's dry. Mosquitoes are a little bit bad out in this section. So really the only time they bothered us today. But yeah, got a slug. That's a big tree. Big tree. Get out here and get a little look. There you go. Wow. Ain't a big old fella. Yeah. Probably 150 or so. 200 years old. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. He's seen some things in his life. He said, yeah, I've seen a lot of stupid people hiking down here is what I've seen.
You can picture me.
Yeah. Well, they got a little rhododendron bloom right there. So we are just swamped under here by rhododendron, and there's still a few blooms around. I can see some up the hill there. There's one right here. Don't that pretty. As Justin Wilson would say, don't that pretty. Got this nice tunnel, little footbridge here. It's just awesome. Being in the summer, this makes it nice and cool. There's no runoff today, which is surprising because it's been raining a good bit out and around us. But yeah, nice little bridge and canopy hike under here. It's really nice. So yeah, this open area here where a tree came down, big tree. There's some other branch and debris fall here, but it's created kind of this neat tunnel under here. Crazy lush under here. Yeah, it's just still a few blooms left. Just really lush. You can hear the falls and see through the woods right there some of the creek splashing. Yeah, we got a footbridge too. You come out of this. There you go. Nice. Oh wow, there it is. We'll have to look around for the copperheads that were supposedly here. Somebody's got a cairn stack. Piled up a cairn there. Somebody did some work on that one. Yeah. And there's one on the tree over there too. There's the bridge we came over. Nice little drop right there. This is about level. Pretty cool. So here we are, Hammond Falls. That's where it cascades to. That's where it comes from. That's pretty. Got a nice boardwalk here. Somebody did some work bringing wood up that trail because that trail is steep.
No, because this is secure.
Yeah, this was hewn with a good saw. There you are.